Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm finally going to be giving you guys a full walk around on the Genesis, and this is going to be like my full official review, or not review, but like for sale. And I thought I'd do like a quick little video. I know I always say quick, but it's always really long. It's a little cold outside, so I'm gonna try to make this a little quick. The way that the car sits right now with these wheels, I'll just straight out and say I'm gonna ask $18,000. I know I got some hate the last couple videos that I made, and I said I was wanting 20 with these wheels, 21 with my other wheels, and I'm gonna lower the price. And this is how it's going to be now. But the way it sits now with everything on it, with these wheels, I want $18,000. I want $19,000 with the wheels that are like my nice wheels. So I'm in the exact same location that I was at last time. So if you guys didn't see that video, if you guys want to see what it looks like with the nice wheels, I'll play a clip right now and give you a better look of what it looks like for now. So here you go.
Thin tracks.
Okay, so I'm gonna do like a quick walk around, tell you all the mods that I have on the car, and I think I would say that the most important thing that you guys have to realize is that I have over 170 videos on this car, and when you go to buy like a used car from a dealership, you don't know how that car was taken care of its entire life. So I think it's a really cool, great selling point that you can go back and look at every single other video about this car on YouTube and actually have video of how the car was taken care of. So just letting you know, it was very well maintained, and as it sits right now, it has I just rolled 37,000 miles, and it's a 2013 3.8 R-Spec. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick walk around. Also, before I forget, every single thing that I have done to this car will have a link in the description, and well, it'll be in the description, every single thing that I've done to the car with prices. I have over $7,100 in upgrades on this car. So yeah, some of you guys might go and say, well, the car, you can get one of these cars, same mile as everything, same year, same spec, at a dealership for like $17,000. yeah, you can, sure. Go get it completely stock, and yeah. Or you can pay $1,000 more and have $7,000 worth of upgrades. So it's actually a really good deal, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick walk around and show you guys what all it has. These are the stock wheels, but they are plasticated black, but they are wrapped in Continental Extremes. They are my like my winter tire. They're all seasons, and there's probably about 70% tread left on those tires, front and rear. Same thing with my other wheels. They have probably around 65-70% tread, so they're still in great condition. Plenty of miles left on them. Forgive me also, I mean, the car is a little dirty. I wanted to wash it, but it's pretty cold outside, so bear with me. R-Specs, they do come with Brembos, but I do have upgraded performance pads, and they do get a little bit of noise at, like, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 miles an hour as you're stopping. You'll hear a little bit of a screech, but that's just the way that performance pads are. Front lip looks pretty good. I got 1500 lumens LEDs, yellow LEDs, but they're also wrapped in like a neon yellow for the fog lights. My headlights, I broke them open, or I guess baked them open, and painted them all satin black. That is one thing that I will tell you that I did paint. I blacked out where the brights were, so the brights are pretty much useless now, but it looks really good. But I do have 8000K HIDs, so I mean, even I would say that my HIDs were still brighter than my brights, so that it's still, you can still see really well at night. I don't know, the wing badges, and then I got this front part right here, plasticated black. Side skirts, sequence side skirts. Car is actually really dirty, so sorry guys. Thing that it is winter time, and some of the salt is started to eat away this paint, so you can see a little bit of red, so that's gonna need touched up, but it's not that big of a deal. Also, another thing that I guess I would show you guys, the only thing that's wrong with the car is those little side skirts right there, that little tiny bit of paint, and it's got a paint chip that I have touch-up paint on right there and right here. This is how it was when I bought it. I had these, but I just put some touch-up paint, and it has one right there, and I know there's another one somewhere right here, if you guys can see it. They're really small, but I know where every single flaw is about this car. The car is has 5% tint all the way around, or on the sides, and 10% on the back, so it's pretty dark tint. Wrapped in Avery black gloss vinyl. Rear diffuser makes the back of the car look really well. The exhaust is a C&T V3 catback, but it has the resonator delete, so 2 straight pipes right in between, and it has arc down pipes and arc test pipes, so it sounds pretty good. Wing badge on the back here also. BBM lip spoiler for the inside. These seats are what come in it stock for the 2013 R-Spec, which are still in really good condition. This is the front, and the back has been sat in, like, I don't know, maybe like 3 times the entire time that I've owned it, so they're in pristine condition. For the shifter, I have a ATQ short throw shifter with front and rear bushings and a weighted shift ball and the retainer clip. That made a world of difference. And underneath is a Megan Racing transmission mount, which is also, I have the tranny fluid flushed out and then put in Mitsubishi Queen, the 7585. So all of that combined, if you guys ever were looking into wondering, like, some of these cars get second gear lockout, quite a bit of them actually. Mine did, and that solved all of it. So that's how you fix it if you're wondering anything about that. Also, another thing I guess I could show you, normal wear on this seat. You can see where it's starting to crack on this side bolster right here, for on the driver's side, just from getting in and out. I try to put my leg right here when I get in and out instead of actually on the bolster part, but that's just normal wear, I guess. Not horrible, but something to be expected, you know. So, but everything else on the inside is completely stock, super clean. Trunk, I guess I can show you the trunk. It's got this net up and stuff. Still really clean. It does come with the camber adjustment bolts. So like if you ever wanted to go to the track, you can adjust your camber a little bit. I think it lets you adjust it to, I think, -2 or -3 degrees. So that's pretty cool. I never even used them, but you got those too. So yeah. Oh, also the car it's lowered on iBox Sportline springs. Just to let you know that too. It also has the Rain-X windshield wipers, if you even cared about that, but hell, those things are $100 for 2 windshield wipers. Under the hood, I do have the engine cover. I painted that bronze because I was trying to match the bronze of my bronze wheels. So that's why that's bronze. And then I have gold fender washers all the way around. And then ballast for the HID kit. Has the engine short ram intake. And yeah, I think that's it. But all those things, man, they add up really, really fast. Really fast. So, I know I'm probably forgetting things. What am I forgetting? I think that's it. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick run around. Every single thing that I actually have done to the car will be in the description if you guys want to look it up. Hopefully this doesn't upset a whole lot of you guys, but I'm just ready to move on and get something else for the channel and start a new project, to start something new, you know. So if you guys are interested, you guys are more than welcome to hit me up on my Instagram, DM me on my Instagram at Random RideZ. There's plenty of pictures about this car and on this car, so if you guys want any more info and pictures and different angles and stuff like that, go to my Instagram, look all kinds of pictures, and go look back on a whole lot of my other videos and stuff too. I got over 170 videos on this car, so go check it out. If you guys are really, really, really interested though, $18,000 the way it sits right now, 19 with my nice wheels and tires. If the person that buys my car does not want the wheels, then I will part out the wheels and I'll ask $1,000. So that's for the wheels, the tires, lug nuts, and TPMS sensors for $1,000. That's like probably around $3,000 if you could actually go buy those brand new. So it's actually a really, really good deal, guys. If you guys are interested, serious inquiries only, please. If you're interested, if you guys like the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. I know this is fairly quick, kind of not, but I just wanted to get out here and let you guys know that it is for sale. So hit me up if you guys are interested. I do live in Indiana. So also another thing that I want to tell you, the car, it is financed, so I still do owe money on it. And the way that the bank, I called the bank, I have to have cash only, no checks. If you guys are interested, I'll be paying off the car once you guys pay me. I will give you the keys to the car. You will own the car. You'll be able to drive away in it, but the bank has to send me the title in the mail. It said that it could take up to 2 weeks to get the title in the mail, and then we meet back up in person, or I take your address and I mail you the title. That's the only way that I can get this to work. So I know it's a bummer, but I don't have any other choice but that. So if you're okay with that, hit me up at Random RideZ, DM me. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe. Till next time, guys, take care, Random. Peace.